This is the VEVOR Oscillating fan that I bought on Amazon. So this did come as a 2-pack, and I have it mounted in my garage so that I can use it to clear out some of the hot air in the summer. So as you can see, there are 2 strings. This one does your fan speed, so we're on 1 right now. There's 3 speeds, there's 2, and the 3rd speed goes faster. The other string does your oscillation. Now if you look at the mounting point, down at the bottom, this allows you that you can rotate it slightly if you wanted it. So if you didn't want it to fit out that way, and then up top, the fan part mounts on there. There is some assembly required, and the only caveat that I'm not really too much of a fan of is if you see how I have it mounted on that piece of a 2x6. So with the fan's mounting points, the way it is that triangle, you're not going to be able to go straight into a 2x4, and then obviously on the sides it's not going to be able to go in if you're just onto the sheetrock. So they do give you anchors for concrete, but where I was mounting it onto wood, I screwed that 2x6 into a 2x4 that gave me the wider piece, and then I screwed the fan onto that, and I used some washers to make sure that it's being held securely. So that's how I mounted it. There's your 2nd speed. If we go all the way there to the fastest speed, it does move a fair amount of air. So I have noticed a difference in the garage if I run this when it's hot. Helps clear that heat out and keeps the rest of the house cooler.